Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best hand cream for dry, cracked hands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is L'Occitane Shea Butter Hand Cream. L'Occitane's iconic, decadent hand cream made with a high percentage of shea butter is a GH Beauty Team go-to and GH Sustainable Innovation Award winner. This will always be my favorite hand cream. I love how rich the texture is and how deeply it moisturizes, GH's former beauty assistant says. I have really dry skin and used to struggle with my knuckles cracking in the winter and when I worked as a server, and this is one cream that changed everything for me. Bonus, the aluminum tube is also fully recyclable. Number 2. Our second best pick is Eucerin Advanced Repair Hand Cream. The best hand cream for dry skin in GH Beauty lab testing. Lab testers gave Eucerin high marks for its ability to keep hands moisturized for up to 6 hours, and its combo of ingredients glycerin, urea, and sunflower seed oil helped increase skin moisturization by an impressive 51%. Not only was it the most hydrating formula, but it's also cost-effective. Another standout feature of the Star Eucerin formula is that it contains alpha-hydroxy acids, which increase cell turnover for younger-looking hands. Lab testers loved that it is purse size and spreads easily. I like that it was absorbed into the skin almost immediately, one noted. And the compliments didn't stop there, with others saying it felt silky, made my hands smooth, and even helped moisturize cuticles. Number 3. Our third best pick is Burt's Bees Almond and Milk Hand Cream. Packed with botanical ingredients like sweet almond oil and aloe, this balm-like hand cream from Burt's Bees intensively softens parched skin. I've used and loved this for more than a decade, GH's beauty director says. The formula is so thick and feels deeply nourishing, and the creamy almond scent is delicious. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Aveeno Intense Relief Hand Cream. Aveeno's hand cream, which contains soothing oatmeal and moisturizing glycerin, was rated as many testers' favorite in GH Beauty Lab evaluations. They said it made hands look the smoothest, and it scored high for how quickly it absorbed into the skin. Not only did testers love this fragrance-free product, but it also improved skin moisturization by a notable 31%. Its thick formula provides a great barrier against outdoor elements without feeling oily. I loved how it spread easily and didn't feel greasy after, said one tester. My hands felt smooth and moisturized, but with no residue. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Dove Dry Skin Relief Replenishing Hand Cream. Testers in GH Beauty Lab evaluations couldn't get enough of how soft the Dove cream made their skin feel. They rated the formula with glycerin and fatty acids best for improving the look of chapped or cracked hands, which are common in winter. With a 32% moisturization improvement after 6 hours, it's no surprise. As one lab tester said, it makes your hands feel baby soft and non-greasy after application. One even had her husband try it, and she said it seriously improved the look of his dry, rough hands. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.